Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to delete videos from your YouTube channel. This is useful when you want to remove videos you have uploaded by mistake. Once you delete the video, you cannot undo the process. So let's open up youtube.com on your web browser, then click on your profile picture and then click on YouTube Studio. Next, click on videos on the left hand side. Once the page loads up, find your video which you want to delete. In this example, I want to delete the first video in the list. Hover your mouse over the video and then click on three dots and then click on delete forever. Here YouTube will give you a prompt and will ask you one more time. Tick the box where it says I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Then click on delete forever. And that is how to delete videos from your YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.